Natural environment. Our environment. You will see a number of things that surround us. All these are components of the natural environment. Even the things that are not shown in the diagram, like the soil, insects, air, or microorganisms, are also included in our natural environment. These components of our natural environment are placed into two groups, biotic and abiotic. Human beings, animals, birds, plants, microorganisms, etc. are living things. Hence, they are called biotic factors. Air, water, sunlight, clouds, hills are non-living things. They are called abiotic factors. The biotic and abiotic factors are related to one another. Try to understand this relationship with the help of the following example. Oxygen is essential for our life. This we get from the air, which is abiotic. This means the abiotic factors, like air, are useful to biotic factors. Remains of plants and animals decay and get mixed in the soil. Thus, the biotic factors get decomposed and mix with the abiotic factors. In this way, the biotic and abiotic factors of the natural environment depend on one another. It is through this that the cohesion in nature is maintained.